G'day everybody, it's me again. I've got this fucking big bastard. One of my clients was going to throw it out, so I put my hand up and I received. It's a giant photocopier. It's massive. You need a forklift to pick it up. There's no way even 4 men could pick it up. It's way too heavy, bulky, nowhere to lift it by. I'm guesstimating it weighs around 300 kilos. I'm probably sure I could find out exactly, but it's big, it's heavy. And I'm sure if you ask it to, it will fold the paper aeroplanes for you as well as print them. And sounds Spanish-ish. Vario Print 1055. It has definitely seen some use. I haven't powered it up yet. It has a 15 amp plug on it, so I'm guessing you need a good portion of Collie power station to fire it up. I haven't seen a tag on it anywhere as such. I think there might be some kind of module missing off this end because, yeah, that's there. Ethernet, guessing that's going to be the print server portion. But no tag anywhere, no label. Maybe it's all fallen off or been removed. But yeah, see if I can do this one-handed. Plug it in, see what happens. Very difficult. Oh. Something fired up then, but the screen didn't come on. Alright, look for a main power switch, Alex. Make sure all the covers are closed. I know sometimes I don't like that. I wonder, have I got juice? Yes I do. Yeah, it's drawing 0.1 of an amp, so it must be in like a standby. Just press every button 50 times, it might come on, Alex. I'm not sure. Some kind of toggle. Toner drawer. Shocking when there's no life in it at all. You'd expect something, or at least expect to be able to find a power switch. Unless that was the power switch, which is always the case. It could have been. I won't touch that right now just in case it's live. Alright, I think I'll get this back panel off and then see if I can diagnose from there. Yeah, I do believe that's the power switch. Somebody's been very smart and they have tried to make the machine non-functional. Now if I follow those, they come up here, thicker ones, yeah, they're the thicker ones, and they all go into the power supply there. Yeah, it's these 4. Wait. Oh, look at that. You can even select the voltage. And, oh, it can run off 3-phase as well. There appears to be input for 3 phases there in the bottom if you have a look. Blue, white and red. So that could probably run off 3-phase and black, yeah, neutral. 3-phase plus neutral or single phase. Jesus, this thing is 2006 0805. Guessing it's somewhere around that date. God, there's a lot of motors and crap in this photocopier. A nice little chain drive there. Holy shit. I always tend to do things backwards, if you understand what I mean. Like, instead of, you know, doing a small photocopier for my first video on a photocopier, I find the biggest fucking one I can find. Bloody typical of me. Another power supply there. There seems to be another, some kind of bus fuse. Copier Industries, made in USA. That must be another main power thing. Power factor correction job there, I think. Looks like one. Anyway, I'm going to join the yeah, that's a good question. Do you join the red and the black, or do you join the 2 reds and the 2 blacks? Ooh, I'm going to have to figure that one out. Dolt. Alright, so if I blow a fuse, I know I've got it wrong. So what should I try first? Join the two reds, join the two blacks? Yeah, that sounds good to me. Alright, I'll do that and we'll see what happens. Alright, well I joined the two reds and the two blacks and it's definitely done the trick. The power supply has come on. It says plus 12 volt, little LED down there. Don't know if that really means anything, but I can also hear some fan or something going inside, so possibly do have some life here. I don't know if there's a safety switch for the back cover. There probably is. Might have to put the back cover back on before it will do much more than it is. Even though I can't see a switch anywhere, but it might be somewhere unobvious. But, I'll go to the control panel and see if it still no action down here. Oh, is that beeping? It's drawing some current now, 0.2 of an amp, but still nothing. Huh? It was singing. It was singing. Yeah, maybe I'll jump those wires properly. I'll put the back cover back on and see if it likes that. The switch for the back cover was in a painfully obvious spot. It was right in my face. So yeah, I'm going to put the back cover on. First I'm going to tape them up so they can't short out. And then I'll try again. But it's definitely something's happy, something's alive because it was singing. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so I've got another cover off and now I'm spinning out. The thing that I heard beeping and making all the noises was a goddamn PC. So maybe there's something wrong with the PC, that's why the rest of it doesn't fire up. And you've got all these internal connectors for Ethernet. Looks like fucking firewire, huh? It's Ethernet as well. Power, USB, another freaking power supply there. There's about 5 power supplies in this thing from what I can see. So maybe I'll go get a monitor and we'll plug it into that socket and we'll see what happens, eh? Maybe if I can get the PC of it to work, maybe the rest of the machine will start working again too. Actually, I'll try fire it up one more time. I've got that switch on the back permanently on. Definitely drawing more power than it did at first, so... Yeah, what I heard running was the PC. Yeah, definitely have to get a bloody whatchamacallit onto this. Definitely have to get a monitor onto it and see what it does. Anyway, that'll be enough for this part of this video. I'll have to do a part 2 on this maybe with the PC working or what, or I'll see what happens. I'll see how I go here. Maybe I'll keep going. Maybe I should. Okay, so I've got the 12 volt monitor up that Pickle donated. Got it hooked up to the PC there, and I'll turn the power on for this big bastard. Oh, VIA embedded platform. OCE DAC boot menu. Oh, this is fucking interesting. That friggin' looks like Linux to me. Yep, sure is. Well, I'll be. I think it's upset because there's no network plugged in. And oh, it's OpenBSD, right. Right. Start pre-SDS. Press enter. Well, it just sung again. It says initializing idle. Well, I've got nothing up on the main display here. I'll have to find myself an old keyboard to plug into that. That's very interesting. Very interesting. Yeah. The old bastard runs NetBSD. Last time I played with NetBSD we were putting together internet providers. That was many years ago. Alright. Oh, time to do some diagnosis here. There might be a power supply problem. That's enough for this video. That's freaking interesting though, come on. A bloody, photocopier running NetBSD and a PC to run the damn thing. Thanks for watching.